Every day we spend a lot of time watching Facebook Reels, but it's not easy to download Facebook Reels. Let's open a Facebook Reel. And you can see here there is no option to download this reel. But if you want to download a Facebook Reel, then what to do? Let's download this reel. To download this Facebook Reels, first of all, tap the three dot at the bottom right corner and copy the link. Yes, we have successfully copied the link of this video, and then open your browser and type fdownloader, and then you will be guided to this website. Paste the link which you have copied and tap download. And you don't have to do anything, just select the video resolution. I will want to go with 720p, and you can see your file is downloading. After downloading, let's open the file, and you can see we have downloaded the Facebook Reel without any watermark. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you have learned how to download Facebook Reels. If this video was helpful for you, please give a like and share with your friends so that they can also download Facebook Reels. Thanks for watching.